Twin Sisters Digital Media presents The Little Tugboat That Sneezed, written by Roger Burrows, illustrated by Calvin Hawley. Alice was usually a happy little tugboat with a big smile on her face. But Alice's face changed when her funnel began to itch. Toot, sneezed Alice loudly. Toot, a toot, a toot. You can't stay here if you're going to make so much noise, said the big ships. So poor Alice had to move. Alice sailed over to a little jetty. Toot, sneezed Alice. You can't stay here, said the people. You are disturbing all the fish. Alice sailed on to where the water was deep. Toot, she sneezed. You can't stay here, said the hungry gulls. This is where we dive for our dinner. Poor Alice pulled up her anchor and sailed out to sea. Toot, sneezed Alice. You can't stay here, said a whale. I'm trying to get some rest. Alice sailed away until she came to a small island with dangerous rocks all around it. Toot, sneezed Alice. On top of the island there was an old lighthouse. Toot, sneezed Alice. But the lighthouse didn't say a word. It just looked sad. What's toot wrong? Asked Alice. My light has gone out, said the lighthouse. There is a fog coming, and I won't be able to tell the big ships to stay away from the rocks. When the fog came, it was like a thick white cloud. No one could see anything. Alice still had the sneezes. Toot, sneezed Alice. Toot. The big ships couldn't see anything, but they could hear Alice. Toot, sneezed Alice. Not that noisy old Alice again, said all the big ships. Let's stay away from here, they said. When the fog cleared, the lighthouse keeper came to fix the light. Thank you, Alice. Your sneezes saved the big ships, he said. But Alice didn't look happy. She still had the sneezes. Toot, sneezed Alice. Your funnel needs a good cleaning, said the lighthouse keeper. So he cleaned the funnel, and Alice stopped sneezing. Now Alice is a happy little tugboat again with a big smile on her face.